Hello everybody, this is Daniel here. Sorry guys for last week not being doing any video. I was a little bit sick, so today was time to do a little devlog regarding the Zarca adventure that I have been working on here now on Godot. I was starting to do it on Unity, but then Unity has that fee stuff, so I decided to work here, at least for now, using Godot. I hope in the future to probably work with a framework instead of the Godot engine. Probably will be to monogame or something like that. So for today guys, as you can see, there's not much happening here in Zarca Adventures, because I've been working on some designs for the game and checking how things going, and create here this Maya NPC. Let me just zoom it a little bit. Here we have our Maya NPC, and of course our Zarca, our character. So it's haven't been much. I've been doing this houses here. This is houses here. I can show you here on Sprite some stuff that I've been doing as well. For example, you have here the NPC and the frames for the NPC that I worked. Simple stuff. The houses are the same. Simple stuff, as you can see. Sorry, my mouse today is not helping, but okay. So as you can see, simple stuff. And for today I want to show you guys just I will not code because I already have the code, but I will show you how you guys can put your kinda of AI on your NPC, because I want at least some NPCs to work to be around on the map, just walking around doing stuff. But first let's see. Okay, here you have, it's me, Zarca, and you have our NPC moving by itself. And as you can see, it's moving around without. This is a simple one. You can add more stuff, and probably I will adding more stuff to the NPCs, at least for some, since the game is based on the Maya culture. I want to have some people from Maya doing stuff, or even other NPCs that I will create. So, but as you can see, it's moving around by itself. By the way, I'm moving Zarca, and as you can see, he moves around without me saying what to do. It's just doing his thing. So that's easy to do. In fact, it's not very difficult, because I'm only working with the velocity of the NPC here. I will show you guys. It's very simple to do. Basically what I have is the speed that I want him to walk. The timer here will just be used to do the animations on a certain time that is randomly between some, sorry about the noise, that is on a range. I had it below, and the option here is what he will be doing. So as you guys already know, to call the animated sprite, it's just doing that. Here you have the movement that our NPC will do. It's idle, moving up, moving down, left or right. It's at this moment I was just testing how to move it, and just create this little array with these words for me to be easier to know what he's doing. Okay, so here on our first function, on ready function, I'm calling just the idle animation, and set the timer to 5. This will be, if I'm not wrong, around 5 seconds, something like that. I think it's not that much, but okay. So here on our physics, what I'm doing is to validate if the time already finished counting. If yes, I will just add the velocity on x and y to 0, and create and start playing the idle animation. This gives not a little bit of time to for the animation change to the next one, because here we now have the timer and as I mentioned before, it's a random between 5 and 8, and our options will be a range as well, a random value between 0 and 4, meaning that 0 is idle and 4 is move right, because for those who doesn't know, the array starts the index on 0 and on forward. So continuing, if the timer still have a value, or meaning that is bigger than 0, we are going to reduce the time by 0.05. For me works perfect like this, and we are going to call then the movement with the certain movement that we want. Basically it's here the handle and NPC movement with the movement that we want, and what I'm doing is just validating what is the movement, and depending on the movement, for example here it's 0, it's meaning that it is on idle, so it won't move, and just play the idle animation. For example, to move up, it will work with the velocity on the y axis, and we give them a little bit of negative speed because it's moving up, so the y is going to be moving to the negative values, so it's always decrement the value. And on my own, I don't want him to move on the x axis, so I will head it 0. The second one, it's moving down, we give the positive speed and play the down animation, and the same for the sides. The only difference is when we are on the left side, we flip the sprite, and if not, we flip it back. Basically is that it stays on the one that he already was, and this basically flips to left, come back to right. And this is basically what my NPC is doing at this moment, and as you can see, it's very simple to do. It wasn't that much of work. I will probably create some other stuff for my NPCs, like for example, we are going to have, I can show you guys these little houses, barracks, what market. This basically will be a market or something, and the NPCs can go here, buy stuff, not buying really, but like going to the market and buy some groceries, and came back to his life doing stuff like that. At least for now it's just moving, because I didn't had much time lately to work on it, and I still have some stuff to do here on my player as well, because there are some animations that are not working correctly, and I want to fix that. But with time things are happening. I know that I don't have much to show you guys, unfortunately, but at least you guys have now an idea of what has been done on the game, because I'm the only person doing all the designs and all the coding. I have to split myself a little bit on both. Some days doing some designs and thinking of what I want for the game, other times just doing some code or refactoring some old code. And at least for now, not much to show you guys, but I believe with time things are going to happen and the game will be much cooler to see. So for today, it's only this small devlog, my first devlog, regarding the Zarca adventures. I hope you guys like this video. If you like and want more stuff like this devlog or more videos regarding how to do stuff in Godot, I hope to do it more in the future with time. And basically enjoy, and Zarca Adventures is on the making, and I hope to see you on the next video. I will try to put a video on the channel at least once a week if nothing happens, so at least 1 hour related with the development or how to do stuff on Sprite. It's the software that I'm working to my sprites. Basically that you can do that this on Inkscape, GIMP, Photoshop, whatever. Even you have the PixelArt online to work with. You don't need to pay to create your stuff. So well, hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye bye.